We have gathered here to celebrate the Investment Ceremony 2026-27. This ceremony marks the induction of our new student council leaders who will carry the torch of responsibility in the discharge of various positions of the student council.
Today, we pay tribute to emerging leaders amongst us, those who have shown their dedication, resilience, and commitment towards our collective goal.
For all of us, ma'am has created a culture that encourages students' achievement and growth.
On behalf of all teaching and non-teaching faculties and students, it is my privilege to request our principal ma'am to welcome our respected chief guest.
शुभम पुरुषम
to invite Shreyas sir and group for a wonderful dance performance.
जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया, happens only in India. It happens only in India. जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया. It happens only in India. It happens only in India. London देखा, Paris देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, और देखा जापान. माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान. सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान. कैसे मैं चुकाऊं तेरा एहसान, मैं तेरी चुनरिया लहराए. क्रिसमस दिवाली में, ईदी पोंगल बैसाखी में.
तू है रंगों का मिलन, तू रोशनी का जश्न, तू रोशनी का जश्न. जश्न जश्न जश्न.
मैं कथक भंगड़ा करबा,
तू डांस का मुरब्बा,
कुर्बानी मैं कवाली.
graceful dance, isn't it?
Leaders are the role models who inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the zenith of success. Please have a big round of applause for them.
I would request Priyanka ma'am, class teacher of class Blossom, to give badge of class prefect to Rihan Shah.
Please have a big round of applause for him. To request Priya ma'am, class teacher of class 3rd, Blossom, to please come on the stage and give the badge of class prefect to Krishna Patel.
Give her a big round of applause. Please. Request Seema ma'am, class teacher of class 3rd Sapling, to please come on the stage and give badge of class back to Kesri Patel.
Please give her a big round of applause. Ma'am, please.
Now I would request Neera ma'am, class teacher of class 4 Blossom, to give badge of class back to Diana Patel.
Please give her a big round of applause. Nafsha. Please give him a big round of applause.
Ma'am, please ascend the bench.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I would request Monica ma'am and Pinky ma'am, class teacher of class B, to come on the stage and give badge of class back to Riyan Patel.
Please give him a big round of applause. And please assign the bench. Now, I would like to request Jackie sir, class teacher of class 6, to please come on the stage and give the badge of class prefect to Nivansi.
Give him a big round of applause.
Sir, please assign the bench.
Now I would request Mamta ma'am, class teacher of class 7, to please come on the stage and give badge of class back to Prince Patel.
Give her a big round of applause. Sir, please assign the bench. Now, I would request Komal ma'am, class teacher of class 8A, to please come on the stage and give the badge of class prefect to Soumya Prajapati.
Give him a big round of applause.
And please assign the bench. Thank you, ma'am.
Now I would request Manisha ma'am, class teacher of class 8B, to please come on the stage and give badge of class back to Miss Tisha.
Please give her a big round of applause. Ma'am, please assign the bench. I would like to request Tati ma'am, class teacher of class 9, to please come on the stage and give the badge of class prefect to Hitaj Patel. Give her a big round of applause. And please assign the bench. Ritesh sir, class teacher of class 10, to please come on the stage and give the badge of class prefect to Riyaz Patel. Give him a big round of applause. A worthy principal man for her inspiring speech regarding this investment ceremony. I do the honor and announce names of faculty for the year 2026-27 as well as cultural head teachers.
So students, I suppose you are all very happy. Happy or not? Yes, today we are having a fabulous function. So you should be happy for that. To start with my speech, I welcome Director Sir, Mr. Mitesh Shah, my dear esteemed teachers, who are the heart of this institution, and my dear students. It gives me immense pride and pleasure to stand before you on this significant occasion of our Invest Teacher ceremony. Today we are not merely assigning badges, we are entrusting this honor is given to Janvi ma'am. Congratulations Janvi ma'am. I suppose you will do all your best efforts for 3rd to 5th. Leadership goes to Priya ma'am. I hope Priya ma'am, you will perform your duties up to the mark. And the section coordinator for class 1st to 5th, again she is Pinky ma'am, as if she has done her work and her leadership very nicely, continuously for the 2 academic sections. Congratulations ma'am for performing best duties, and even I would not like to forget Monica ma'am also, because she is always behind Pinky ma'am to do all the best for class 1 to 5. Thank you both of you ma'am. Now, it's time for 6th to 10th. Yes, 6th to 10th, this responsibility goes to Manisha ma'am for class 6 to 10th. Ma'am, please do your best for this academic session, and the coordinator will be Ritesh sir. I hope your unity, Ritesh sir and Manisha ma'am will do their best and will bring the best results for the secondary sections. Thank you. Monica ma'am, Komal ma'am, and Janvi ma'am. These are the cultural heads for the whole academic section. Monica ma'am, performing her cultural duty from last decades, I would like to say. Ma'am, really you have made students fabulous as I have seen today. Thank you ma'am for your service in this school from the day one. She is joining us from the day one. And Pinky ma'am also I would not to forget. They both are from the starting of the school. Thank you ma'am. Now it's time to announce the head boy and head girl of the school. Are you all excited too? Now how the head boy and head girls are selected? It is on their punctuality, on their improvement, their nature, with others to deal, and their respect to all the teachers. So, the head boy of the school is, I'd like to invite Teej Patwa from class 9. सर म्यूजिक हो गया है। We have chosen me as a head boy as if he has shown a drastic change. I would call upon head girl of the school, Srija. Sukhadia. Yes, Srija, come on. We welcome our head girl, Srija Sukhadia. Jai Shri Krishna, Srija. She always greet me with Jai Shri Krishna. Sir, please, I would like to come. I would like.
Good morning everyone. Respected chairman sir, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am elected as the head boy of our school. It is an honor itself to carry the position. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our honorable chairman sir, respected principal ma'am and all supporting teachers for providing me a platform to develop my leadership skill. As a head boy, I assure you all that I will listen to your concern, represent your voices, and work toward making our school even a better place. I believe in teamwork, respect, and unity. I may not be perfect, but I always give my best and learn along the way. Thank you once again for this incredible opportunity. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, ma'am, director, sir, and my dear teachers. I am Shrija from class 9. I have been a student here since playgroup. From 11 years, this school has been my second home. It has seen me grow from a small child into the person I am today. To me, being head girl isn't about the best or being the boss. It is about responsibility. Teachers, you have worked hard to help to grow. Now I am ready to work hard to help you. I promise to lead with a kind heart and a strong sense of duty. I don't promise miracles, I promise action. I will be a leader who listens and a friend you can trust. I have been a part of our school's past and now I am ready to lead its future. Give me the chance to serve you. Thank you.
And I newly elected head boy and head girl.
Best distribution of cultural head captain and vice captain. I would request Monica ma'am, Komal ma'am and Janvi ma'am to please come on the stage and announce the name of cultural captain and vice captain for the year 2026-27. And the cultural captain is
Ma'am, please assign the badge. To both the captains.
a green planet is a clean planet.
Today, it gives me immense pleasure to announce the formation of our Eco Club, a team of young environmental warriors who are committed to make our school and community greener, cleaner, and more sustainable.
The Eco Club will lead initiatives like tree plantation drives, cleanliness campaigns, waste management awareness, and much more to spread the message of environmental protection. Now I take this proud moment to call upon the teachers of Eco Club, Jagir sir. Ignesh sir. Please come forward and announce the name of Eco Club captain. Call upon the teachers of Eco Club, Jignesh sir and Preeti ma'am. Please come forward and announce the name of Eco Club captain. And the Eco Club captain is J. Bhanushali. And the members of Eco Club are Anvi Patel, Divya Patel from class 9.
Please present the best to our captains. The sports captain and vice captain to please come on the stage for collection of their balloons. I also request Cesar sir and Hitesh sir to please assign the bells to our captains. And the vice captain of Ruby Group is Raj Patel from class 9. And for collection of badges, I would like to request the teachers of Ruby Group to please come forward.
Give them a big round of applause.
Please assign the bells to our captains.
Give them a big round of applause.
They are requested to come forward for the collection of badges.